Hi, I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, we're going to show you how we transformed our master closet into a second craft room / closet. Are you ready? Here is the after. I was a little concerned we weren't going to have enough room, but oh my gosh, this room turned out so amazing. There's plenty of room for my husband. If you don't know, we have a Christian apparel business, so he was making stuff in my pink craft room, and it was a little off-brand, if we'll say that. So we made him a manly craft cave with our new heat presses. This one we specifically got for the inside of the shirt. We put our tag, screen printed tag on the inside of the neck of the shirt, and so he broke my Cricut little mini easy press, whatever that thing is. Yeah, he broke it. So he needed an industrial strength one, so the one from Heat Press Nation. And then we of course have our 16 by 20 slide out Heat Press Nation auto open heat press. He's able to crank out so many shirts. And then we have our shipping station and all of our products. We have an inventory closet upstairs as well, and we'll be doing a video coming up of how we keep track of our inventory. We use a cool app. And then here's how we store the screen prints. They're all in those little containers. He has way more clothes than me, if I'm just putting it out there, okay? So anywho, I think it turned out amazing. We got everything from Ikea, Home Depot, Lowe's, and Walmart. So if you have any questions, I will try to link where we got certain things in the description box below, as well as our new heat presses that we got. You'll get to see them in action in a little bit at the end of the video. But yeah, so if you want to see how we transformed the room from start to finish, keep watching. I hope you enjoyed our craft room tour slash closet transformation. I hope this inspires you. No matter what size room you have, even if you have to share a closet, you can make a beautiful craft room that's functional and super efficient. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. I will try to link anything I can, including where I got like the walls and the Ikea countertop, the shelves, all that good stuff in the description box below. And if you want to check out our Christian apparel business, you can go to eternallyequipped.com and check out what we're making. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.